Alright, so this is Nature's Made Multi for Him multivitamin. I got this multivitamin because it has no iron. It says for him, all that is it's formulated for people above 50 years of age. Changes up the nutritional profile on here. They give a little bit more and a little bit less to meet some of the requirements of people over 50 years old. For him, men. All right, so Nature's Made on the back, it's the nutritional profile. On there, make sure you read this and talk to your physician before taking any sort of supplement. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this by taking off the top. There's a safety seal, and I'm going to go ahead and pull that back. And inside are the multivitamins, and I'm going to pour it into my hand so you can see what they look like, see how large they are. And pull that back and throw it right here. And so here are the multivitamins right here. And they're not too big, but they are not the smallest multivitamins you could probably get. But here they are, the unboxing. Nature Made for Him plus 50. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.